Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today I'm going to be doing a vegetable gratin, which is basically Savoy cabbage, some Brussels sprouts, leeks, some mustard. I use this mustard, but it's supposed to be whole grain mustard, milk, ground nutmeg, some gruyere cheese, cheddar cheese, breadcrumbs, and some olive butter, and some flour, which I haven't got out. So we'll get cracking and I'll show you what goes on. So see you in a minute. First of all, get a pan on the go. So I'm going to use half of these. Just going to snip the bottoms and halve them. Get our leeks. Nice big chunks. Into the pan. Get our Savoy cabbage. Take half of this. Rough cut this. And this goes into the pan as well. And that's all there is to that part of it. So what we do, we bring it to the boil, let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and then drain it, then cool it off with cold water. Then we'll just let it sit and drain, and then we're going to put it into a pan, and then we're going to make a sauce up. So see you soon. Okay, so we've got our vegetables cooked, they're drained, rinsed out with cold water and then draining again, so they're ready. Just get a pan on, put it on a low heat, and with this sauce what you have to do is equal amounts of flour to your butter. Get the butter melting. Be careful not to burn it. Get your flour. Start adding your milk. Just a little bit at a time. do is wait for it to thicken up. A little bit of salt. Teaspoon of nutmeg, mustard. I'm only using a dessert spoon, tablespoon. It's thickening up nicely. Some of our gruyere cheese, some cheddar. Lovely. Take our drained vegetables. Pour our mixture over. Topped off with some more cheese. That was gruyere cheese. A little bit of cheddar on top. Mrs. Urban's going to love this. It's going to be very cheesy. Panko breadcrumbs. I'm going to set the oven at 200 degrees and for about 30 minutes, and then we'll keep an eye on it, make sure this goes all lovely and brown on top, and it'll be ready. So see you back then. Okay, so there you go. Vegetable gratin. Very, very hot. So I'm going to let this cool down. It smells absolutely gorgeous. Obviously with our Brussels sprouts, Savoy cabbage and leeks, and with our nice cheesy sauce that's gone in the inside of the cheese and the panko breadcrumbs. I'll put the list of the ingredients in the description. Give it a go, because say it's very, very, very hot at the moment. So all you have to remember is to do the butter and flour the same, like 50 grams of each, and then add your milk gradually to bring the sauce, otherwise it just burn. And that's all there is to it. So we're going to let this cool down. Me and Mrs. Urban is going to eat this. I know she'll love it because it's very cheesy. Gruyere cheese and cheddar cheese and all that good stuff, and you can smell the cinnamon. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. See you later guys, bye.